Alright everyone, so if you know me, I like to have clean water, but here's the problem. There's so much in our water. Fluoride, there is runoff, there's also estrogenic chemicals, and I want to avoid all of that. Now I can do a countertop, but the best thing is to have a water filter. So today, I'm looking at the OEMIRY right here, water filter. You can see it. So I'll be looking forward to seeing what's inside here. Now the best thing is it's easy to install, and on top of that, in here I can see the power source for it. Pretty simple, pretty easy. So we have the power unit, plastic, and we can tell this is heavy. This is heavy duty. You can see all the filtration right here. It's pretty simple. And plug it in right here. Now I'll just plug the cord with the power. So the power is back here, as we can see. So now, as like said, and then we just have a few more things. So we have all of our installation tools here. See this? And there we go. And that's mainly it. And we have our hose. So that is the installation right there. That's how simple it is. I'm going to get my water clean. Now, I'd recommend getting a plumber actually, not doing it yourself, and putting it under the sink, and getting that water all nice and spiffy. That's everything that comes with it. So here we can see the OEMIRY under the sink. Right. So now we have the water filter installed under the sink. We can see it and we can hear it moving. You can see source water here. So now that's all left to do is come to my sink here. We can take a look at this water and see that this is super clear. Not only that, but it doesn't have the toxins that normal water would, like fluoride, like all those insecticides and pesticides and stuff like that. And on top of that, I know that this is safe to drink. I'm comfortable drinking it, giving it to my family members, my friends, my pets, all that stuff. So this really does a good job. It's not super tough to install. And the good thing is, even if you need help, you get a plumber and stuff, it's definitely worth it. Because what is worth more than having amazing clean drinking water? So I'm going to give a thumbs up to the OEMIRY water filter. Look how good this looks.